Hey guys, hello. How are you doing today? So I hope you are doing well, just like me. Here currently on board the vessel, a container ship. So welcome back to the Bihero Master Seaman channel, ang pinakatotoo at simpleng channel ng mga marino. So it's really nice to have you here with me today, guys. So for those who are new listeners, so I welcome you all. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Just tune in until the end. So if you find this video helpful, even if it's boring again, please still click the like button, subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends for knowledge sharing. So in this lesson, I will be discussing all about magnetic variation. So sounds familiar, right? Yeah, isn't it? Of course, as a seaman, you are well familiar this kind of terminology back in school and even more on board the ships. So what makes this special is I'm gonna compare how to get the magnetic variation the old way against the contemporary. So at the end of this video, we can learn the following. Number one, identify what magnetic variation is, and number two, why do we need the magnetic variation? So, number three, where can we find the magnetic variation on paper chart? So this is the old days, guys. This is old times. So number four, where can we find the magnetic variation in ICDIS? And number five, lastly, how to compute the magnetic variation the old way and the modern way. So without further ado, let's get started. Number one, guys, so what is magnetic variation? So the basic definition of magnetic variation is this is an angular distance between the true north and magnetic north. So magnetic variation exists because of the Earth's magnetic field. So that's why in every locality or wherever the ship is, this magnetic variation varies. Number two, so why do we need the magnetic variation? Mainly because this is very important in relation to the compass error and compass division. Do you still remember correcting the compass? CDMVT, Candid Man Boatwise Ad East, or TVMDC, True Virgin Mixdal Companion Ad West. So on board practice, we will get first the gyro error, then followed by uncorrecting the compass, the TVMDC or True Virgin Mixdal Companion Ad West. So without this magnetic variation, you cannot determine the current division of the magnetic compass. Number three, so where can we find the magnetic variation on paper chart? So this is the old way, guys. So if you are a not so old seafarer like me, you can find this magnetic variation as a different lines, so usually curved lines with the color of magenta on paper chart or on the compass rose of paper chart. I have here the paper chart, guys. So this is Luzon Strait, somewhere in Luzon Strait, and then here we can find the magnetic variation. So this is the compass rose, guys, like this. So you have the how to find the magnetic variation. So you have this compass rose here, compass rose. So we have 3 degrees 10 minutes west. Then you have the on the year 2012 did with annual variation of 3 minutes west, and you have also here, guys. So it's up to the position, the nearest compass rose where the ship might be. So this is another compass rose. So we have a lot of compass rose here in Basi channel. Then it's somewhere in Luzon Strait, guys. So at the bottom I have also here another compass rose. So this one, see, so we have 2 degrees 2 degrees 40 minutes west on 2012, then with 3 minutes west annual variation. So in this chart alone, guys, I have a 4 compass rose. So sad to say, I cannot show you this carved magnetic variation lines because it is only available on small scale charts. Since this is a large scale charts, so only the compass roses are available. So at least you have the idea. So this chart, guys, is already obsolete. We never use this one already because you know this nowadays we use now the ECDIS already, electronic chart display information system through vector chart. So that's it for where do we find the magnetic variation on paper chart. So this is old school, guys. So number 4, where can we find the magnetic variation in ECDIS? So guys, this is our ECDIS. Now we are going to find the magnetic variation in ECDIS. So this is a Forono ECDIS, guys. So this is the cursor. Actually, there are two ways how to locate this magnetic variation. So the first one, okay, just on the chart near to your visual position. Let's say this one. Oh, sorry for my my video. All right, okay. So just look at the cross, guys. Then right click. Let's say for example that one. Then you just choose chart legend. Okay, chart legend. And then here is the chart legend. So now, guys, you can see easily magnetic variation 7 degrees 00 minutes east. Then on 2021, then annual variation is 6 minutes west. So this one, guys, 6 minutes west. So now the second, okay, we just gonna close this one, guys. So the second way of locating the magnetic variation in ECDIS is this one. So the other way, okay, again, right click, look at the cross, guys. So right click just near to your position, okay, something like that. Then choose this one, guys, peak report. Okay, this one. Okay, peak report. And then so you have another window here. So just select object, guys. Let's say for example, I will select by your mouse, magnetic variation. Okay, you see the magnetic variation, guys. So it is highlighted here. So these are the magnetic variation in this area. Okay, and then okay, going back here in the window. So magnetic variation, so this one, follow the mouse pointer, magnetic variation, okay, for this cell, and then you just click select. Okay, select, another window pops up, and then you can see here, guys, the information. Let's say for example, reference year for magnetic variation, you can click it. So year 2021, okay, that's the reference year for magnetic variation. Then scale minimum, it's nothing, it's none of your concern. Value of annual change in magnetic variation, this is very important. So minus 6 minutes, guys, minus 6 minutes. So minus 6 minutes, and then the value of magnetic variation is 7 degrees. So 7 degrees, and the annual magnetic variation is 6 minutes on the year 2021. So that's it, guys. So that that's the two ways on how to locate the magnetic variation in ECDIS. Actually, the result is the same actually. So whatever you feel most comfortable, so just do it like that. Number 5, guys. So this is the last question. So how to compute the magnetic variation, the old way and the modern way. So the old and the present. So basically they are the same. The only difference is that the old way, which is on the paper chart, it is clearly obvious and visible on the spot. So here we go. Okay, guys, here this is the paper chart. So this is obsolete already. So whatever position you are, closer to the compass rose. So let's say for example, you will pass somewhere here near this compass rose. So this is your magnetic variation reference. So we will read what's the value of the magnetic variation. Let's say for example, you have 12 degrees and 20 minutes east on the year 2004. Then the annual variation is 1 minute east. So this is how we calculate, long time ago, guys. So actually they're pretty the same, but the good thing here is
it's easily visible on the chart, this magnetic variation, because you have the compass roses, you know, just nearby. Let's say for example this one we have compass rose, this one we have compass rose. Okay, so how we're gonna calculate the magnetic variation, guys? So on the year, so this one, guys, so this is on the year 2004, right? 2004. So now we are on the year 2025. So just minus the year, guys, so that you can interpolate the annual variation correction. So 2025, then 2004, so that is 21 years already. And then the annual variation is 1 minute east. So you just have to multiply. So if 2, 3, it depends. But here it's 1 minute. So it's very clear here. You have annual variation of 1 minute east. So now you have 21 years. Then the annual variation is 1 minute east. So just multiply. So 21 times 1, guys, is you have 21 minutes east. That's the annual variation correction. Then you have the main on 2004. This one, the main 12 degrees and 20 minutes east. Then you just gonna add the annual variation. So that is 21 minutes east. Then the rule here, guys, same name, add, different name, subtract. Since they are the same name, east and east, 21 minutes east, so you just add this one, 12 degrees, so 12 degrees and 41 minutes east. So that is your magnetic variation, or convert this to degrees. So this is 12.68 degrees east, the actual magnetic variation. This is on the paper chart.
Whereas in ICDIS, it is not pretty obvious, as you need to manipulate using the mouse.
So back here in ICDIS, guys, so how we are gonna calculate the magnetic variation. So since this is not rocket science, so mostly the officers now, they just solve it, you know, by their minds. They don't need such a paper for this one to calculate. Unlike on the past, it's more on, you know, you just need your paper to calculate. But this one, this is to the right click near to the ship, like this. Okay. And then my favorite is I just click chart legend, so that I cannot I can see the whole magnetic variation at once. Okay. So a window pops up. Okay, guys. So this is the magnetic variation, guys. It says 7 degrees 00 minutes east, 2021, on the year 2021, with annual variation of 6 minutes west. So the rule, guys, is if the same name, addition, and if different names, so subtraction. So since this is east and the annual variation is west, so we're gonna subtract the annual variation to the main. Okay, so let's say for example this is from 2021, guys, so I just using my mind, guys. So 2025 minus 2021 equals 4, then 4 times 6, so this is 24 minutes west. So you have to deduct here, guys, 7 degrees east minus 00 degrees 24 minutes west. So you have the 6 degrees and 36 minutes east is the final answer of magnetic variation. Converting to whole degrees, 36 divided by 60 is at 0.6. So 6.6 degrees east is your magnetic variation. Correct? Okay. So that's it, guys. How to solve the two ways, how to solve the magnetic variation on the old times using the paper chart, and the modern times in the ICDIS.
That's it, guys. So hope you guys learned something new from this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. This is the Bihero Master Seaman channel, ang pinakatotoo at simpleng channel ng mga marino. Thank you very much. Babush!